I finally did it. I managed to delete an important system file in etc folder. So if you are like me, hope this video helps you. What I did earlier today is I wanted to edit a line in groups group file, and instead of that I had no idea I did that, by the way. And it deleted the group file. What happens after that is that you can no longer do anything sudo-like from your current user. Good thing about the system is that the system backs up your important system files, because there are probably more people like me. What I wanted to show. Your system occasionally backs up your system files, and it's followed with a dash. What you can do from here is just go to reboot. On the booting screen you will get an advanced options for Ubuntu. Click on that and choose the recovery mode. Then you will get another menu, choose root. Drop to root shell prompt, where you will recover your system file. Then it's easy as that. Go back to etc folder, copy your backup file into your original file, and that's it.